Welcome, everyone. If you've ever archived a chat on Messenger and wondered how to bring it back to your main inbox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to unarchive a conversation quickly and easily. First, open the Messenger app on your device. You'll land on your main chat list, where all your active conversations appear. Look for the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It's typically 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your device. Tap that to open the side menu. From here, scroll until you see the archive option. Tap it, and you'll be taken to a separate folder where all your archived chats live. These are conversations you've hidden from your main inbox but didn't delete. Think of it as a temporary storage space for chats you don't need front and center right now. Now find the specific chat you want to unarchive. Scroll through the list, or use the search bar at the top if you have many archived chats. Once you've located the conversation, tap and hold it. A menu will pop up with several options. Select Unarchive, and just like that, the chat will disappear from this folder. Head back to your main inbox, and you'll see the conversation restored exactly where it was before. No need to panic if it doesn't reappear at the very top. Messenger organizes chats by recent activity, so it'll settle back into its rightful place. A quick tip: if you're using Messenger on a computer, the process is slightly different. Open messenger.com, click the settings gear icon, and select Hidden Chats to view archived conversations. Click the chat to reopen it, and it'll return to your main list automatically. And there you go. Whether you archived a chat by accident or intentionally tucked it away, unarchiving is a straightforward process. Keep your Messenger organized without losing track of important conversations. If this helped, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.